This is very important for us kwa sababu wamama wetu vile tumesema wamekuwa trained in 17 counties. Mpaka mashinane pahali tuko, sisi tuko chini kabisa mashinane. And therefore, tuko hapa kuonyesha our change as maendeleo. Inatoka chini, but it is real na ni ya wamama. We are grassroots women organization. Wamama wamesomeshwa financial literacy, banking, ile vitu yote mmesikia pale kutoka Equity. Lakini ya muhimu leo is to actualize a dream. For me, a dream I've had for many years for water harvesting because I'm born in, as I said, very south. Na kule hakuna shinda ya maji upande ile nimetoka. Lakini nilipoolewa Yata over 40 years ago, nikaona struggle ya maji when it is dry. And so it's been my dream that if I get this opportunity to serve in this country, one of the things I would want to do is to talk about water, and this is where we are today.
Chairman Duva Muli, we are so grateful to see the penetration of manufacturing in our country. And the number of people you have employed here. Very many people would not believe that in Matungulu, somewhere in the great town or urban center of Tala, you can get such high quality tanks. And your assurance that it gives us a 20-year lifespan, and therefore the stamp of Matungulu and Tala will be all over Kenya because of this partnership. You are exporting the labor of love, the industry of the people of Tala and Machakos County to the rest of the